Racing just is started. We have Insider break weekly to start moving upon the outside. Absolute Power of Destiny comes next down on the inside. Carmelo, Mr. Tatler in the middle portion. Explosivo comes next. Guy Inday, Britney's Glory, Insider secondless, while Puma is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Carmelo by about half length. Mr. Tatler in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Explosivo. Britney's Glory comes next. In the middle portion comes number 6, Power of Destiny. Absolute is on the outside. Guy Inday is down on the inside. Then comes Puma, while Insider now racing in less. Out of the fourth turn, we have 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Carmelo, Mr. Tatler is on the outside. Then here comes Absolute, now trying to get closer in third. Guy Inday, Power of Destiny, Britney's Glory, and they are now entering the home stretch. Mr. Tatler down on the inside. Carmelo, Absolute, Guy Inday in the middle portion. We have Mr. Tatler. Absolute moving up on the outside, and I'm saying it's my turn to take the lead. We are Absolute, followed by Mr. Tatler, and finally Absolute, Mr. Tatler, Guy Inday. Then comes Power of Destiny and Carmelo.
7, 5, 8, 6, and 4.